welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Today's video is this really simple and fresh Ganesh Chaturthi makeup look, which you can flaunt even if you're at home and celebrating in a very small scale unlike before, and look gorgeous for all the video calls and selfies. I love how simple and elegant this look is and how it's totally complete with these beautiful Daniel Wellington products. I'm wearing the Daniel Wellington Petite Melrose Rose Gold watch with a black dial. It is so sophisticated, so classic, and I've also paired it with this beautiful classic bracelet from Daniel Wellington. This is in the shade Desert Sand. It's so gorgeous, you guys. Just perfect for workwear and even for festive looks. I just love how both of these classic elegant accessories just complete my look. Okay, I also have a very nice surprise for you at the end of the video, so make sure you watch it till the end. And now, without wasting much time, let's get started with the tutorial. So starting off with the base, I'm using the Indulgeo Essentials Rose Gold Oil. I love this one before my makeup and even as skincare. It's very hydrating and gives a dewy look. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and blending it with my sponge, and you can see it just gives a flawless look. Since I have dark circles, I'm using this orange corrector by PAC Cosmetics, and then I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. My shade is medium, and I'm applying it everywhere that I want to conceal and highlight my face, and then blending it with my sponge. To set everything in place, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is my holy grail powder, and I'm also going to bake with it. Now moving on to contouring, I'm using this Miss Claire contour palette. It's such an amazing affordable contour palette, and the shade is perfect for contouring. So I'm applying it on the usual areas of contouring, and then I'm going to use the same powder as the transition shade for my eye makeup, which is literally like a two-step eye makeup look. And then I'm using this K-Beauty eyeshadow stick in the shade Golden Hour and applying it all over the lid. You can also just go with a shimmer golden shade, whatever you might already have. And then I'm using this brown kajal from L'Oreal and applying it close to my lash lines, both up and bottom. And then taking a smudger brush, I'm just going to smudge it so that it doesn't look too harsh and gives that soft smoky effect. It's time for mascara. I'm using the K-Beauty mascara and I'm going to apply generous coats of it. You can also apply false lashes if you want a more glamorous look, and then I'm dusting off the excess powder. Using the same Miss Claire palette for the blush, you can see how beautiful this blush is, nice and pigmented. And then I'm using the Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. You can see how beautiful it looks. And I'm using my damp sponge to blend it to give it that natural glow, which is not too much. So I quickly got dressed up in my sari, and now moving on to the lips. I'm using the K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Hypnotic. I love these lip liners. And one of my favorite lip crayons from them, which is Entourage. And that's the makeup look, you guys. So guys, that's the final look. I really love the look. And now coming to the surprise that I have for you guys. You guys can avail a 15% off while shopping on the Daniel Wellington website by using my code GoGlam, which I think is a great deal because these products are just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I will have the code in the description box as well, so you can check that out. And I've also added the product links for the Daniel Wellington watch and bracelet, so you can definitely check it out, and don't forget to use my code for a 15% off. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all really liked it. If you all did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, you know the drill, and also hit the notifications on so that you know when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.